Land is the quickest way to building wealth, but most people ignore it. No daily alerts, no tenants, no rent, just sitting there. But that is the advantage. While you are busy waiting, prices are moving up. New road, new estates, new demand, and suddenly the cheap land is gone. The people who win in land don't wait for noise. They move in early, they secure location, and let development catch up. No stress, no pressure, just let time do the heavy lifting. So the real question is not, should I invest in land? But the real question is, which land is still available before the next price shift? Thank you.